So what is up guys, CodeWithYash here. If you're new to the channel, hello everyone, my name is Yash and I am a programmer with now 2 years of experience. So in this video, we'll be learning about the HTML entities, and this is a very, not a big topic, but often used in interviews on web development. So I don't think you should miss this. Without wasting time, let us get into a VS Code and start coding. There only I will tell you what are HTML entities. So I'm in a VS Code and I will make another file for the tude9.html today. And let us add a boilerplate code. Yeah. So now topic for today is HTML entities. So what is it? What is entities? So there are certain characters that you cannot print or you cannot display on your web. So these are known as HTML entities. So say I want to write in it I want to write a paragraph and I will write like this. To write a paragraph, we use we use p tag. Say my website is on coding and I want to write that I have to print this thing. So, okay, so now if I open up my live server, it's started now and it has opened in another browser. Let me quickly open to the second one. Yeah. So as you can see, um, yeah. So if you see now, so this tag has come in the new line because it has told that P is starting from here and therefore it has come into new line, but ignore this. So now I wanted to print the P tag, but here it is not printed, but it has taken the P tag as a tag and not as a plain text. So how can we print this in a plain text? Yeah, to print it as a plain text, we need to add we need to add expression like this um, and lt and lt and then this symbol um not this symbol yeah this yeah and here we have to type um, and gt. Yeah, so now if I see my browser, you can see, yeah, I have got the both the angular brackets. So lt for small and gt for large. So these characters we cannot print because it will think it is a tag and we are not able to print the angular brackets. So this is for angular brackets. I can write here print angular brackets. Okay, fine. Now let us know about another case. So say I have a paragraph and here I want to write mm, like this is a tutorial 9. So now if so let us see what is the it is simple, okay, no rocket science. Now if I add multiple spaces here, you can see I've added a hell lot of spaces here. Oops. Yeah, I've added many spaces. Let us see what happens. There is only one space. Why? So between is and tutorial, yeah, there is only one. Let us reload this up. I have saved this up. Yeah, what happened? This is a property of HTML. HTML thinks that all the spaces that you have added extra are not taken and it is chopped up and used as one only. So I can add many spaces, but it will not work. So to have multiple spaces, we have an entity known as um, mainly all entities start from and. I have the entity nvsp. So here NBSP, and if I see here, you can see now we have added two spaces. One was there because of spaces by convention, and second by NBSP. Now if I copy this up and paste it multiple times, you can see I have added many spaces here. So this in this way we can add multiple spaces in HTML because this is often asked in many interviews and it's a pretty good question. So you will not use this method. We will use padding and margin in our CSS, but this is also important. So I can write to print multiple multiple spaces. Okay. So now let us take another case. Say you have to write pound symbol because pound symbol is not available on your keyboard. So to write this, we have, say I will write this is pound. This is pound. Okay. So to write pound, we have to type and pound in this way. So now if I go here, you can see that there is a pound symbol. This is money pound. We can add in this way. So I can also have another which is for copyright. It is widely used in the footer. Copyright is like this. So to add the copyright symbol, we have and oops and copy. So there is an option of and copy. Yeah, go into your browser. You can see copyright is here. Okay, so now we know. So you don't need to learn all of them, but some you need. So if you want more, you can just type in here HTML entities reference. Okay, so now you will get a website. Yeah, it is very commonly used website. I will use this much here. Any symbol we can print. Okay, any symbol that we want. So say I have to print. Let me use one symbol for your example. Or there are a lot of them. You can choose from. So yeah, say I have to use this arrow. So there are many examples. I will copy this of this one example and I will write say the arrow is like this. Okay. So now back in the browser here you can see that I have added symbol. So this symbol you can use in many places like in with I can add it here. So it looks like this. Yeah, this looks good. So in this way you can get reference from the web browser, and this is also important because getting reference from browser is also a skill. So I know this is a pretty short video, but we have discussed many things now, and from I think two or more videos after we will start our CSS course, and I agree that this is a bit boring, but to know CSS and JavaScript, your HTML base should be strong. So I think this is where this is much for this video, and I will say if you have not accessed my web development playlist, then do access that. I have uploaded videos in systematic order for you here. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys, and I will see you next time.